Clicking sound when starting. This is another classic warning. You turn the key, and instead of hearing the engine crank, you hear a rapid clicking sound, or sometimes just one click with no actual engine movement. That usually means the battery still has enough power to activate the relay, but not enough power to crank the engine itself. In other words, the battery is alive, but too weak to do the hardest part. This is why clicking often shows up just before a full no-start condition, and once this begins happening regularly, you should take it seriously, because the next step is often a car that won't start at all.